Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I did a shower routine video and now I'm back, guys. I'm in the shower. I'm just going to wet my body with warm water and then I'll go in with my soap. I'm using Burial bathing soap because it's been working wonders on my skin. I have a sensitive skin, and wherever I use a certain type of bathing soap, I feel like my skin gets irritated. I used to struggle with some acne at my back, but when I started using this soap, it's in Burial White. I sometimes use the blue one, and I've seen so much change on my skin. I'm going in with my washcloth just to remove that before exfoliating. I'm just going to wash myself or to scrub myself with this washcloth all over my body before. Second step is exfoliating gloves. You definitely need them in or you need to include them in your shower routine. And a scrub, any kind of scrub can do, even if you have this coffee scrub or a Dove one or anything, any scrub can do. Just go in with your exfoliating gloves and your scrub, combine them together to scrub your body. Make sure you exfoliate each and every part of your body, underarms and your back, your chest, your neck, and even your bikini areas. Make sure everything is after that, I will go in with a shower gel. I'm using Hobby from Fresh Care. I don't know, it's a shower gel, and I love this blue one because of the scent, and it's so thick and I just love it. And now I'm going to use my traditional, like what, hii kitu nilitoa ushago, hata sijui inaitwaje, so ni ile neti ya kuoga ya ushago. So I'm using it to wash my body. The reason why you need to wash your body again after exfoliating is because you scrub huwa inabaki kwa makwapa and you need to wash it off. You need to use your shower gel na kitambaa or any net. If you're using kanet kama kakangu, you need to use it just to make sure outa smell makwapa after taking your shower. So just And lastly, I'm going in with my cat towel because I tried to use Femme Fresh. It irritated me so bad, nikajikuna vibaya, so I will never use it again. Honestly, I just use just water and the towel na ninakuwa tu sawa. Immediately after getting out of the shower, I just go in with my Moroccan oil because it makes my skin feel good and soft after my shower. I know you may be wondering why my mattress is on the floor. Let me tell you guys, nilipeleka bed ilikuwa huku Ushago and we are looking for a good bed because the one we had haikuwa inatufurahisha, so we had to kubeba it tupeleke Ushago and then we buy a new bed. After that, I go in with my Vaseline lotion. It's Radiant Cocoa Butter. I just love it. It makes my skin feel softer and it locks the moisture in. That's why I love it most. See my skin after applying the lotion. It shines. Everything I go in with my roll-on from Nivea. It smells so nice and it leaves my armpits fresh. Am I making sense? Yeah, it leaves my armpits fresh. And then I'm not going to stop there. I'm just going in with my body mist. I spray all over my body and I smell so nice right now. I feel so good because smelling nice is part of being that girl. Yeah, I just want to be that girl. Look at my skin. Look at that skin. Now this is the body mist I'm using. It's from Dear, I think it's from Dear Body. The body mist is Monday body mist. I don't know why they called it. And finally, I'm all done. And now, if you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor to pause this video and hit the subscribe button, like this video, share and comment down below what was your favorite products in my routine, and see you next time. Bye, peace.